Hi, how are you today? I am good, thanks. What about you? I am fine too. What are you doing these days? I am practicing English speaking and studying. That's nice. Do you like learning English? Yes, I do. I want to speak English fluently. Great, practice every day and you will improve. Yes, I try to practice daily. What do you do in your free time? I like watching movies and listening to music. Same here. What kind of movies do you like? I like comedy and action movies, and you? I like romantic and comedy movies. That's interesting. Do you also like reading books? Yes, sometimes I read simple English stories. That's good habit. It helps improve vocabulary. True. By the way, what is your favorite food? I love pizza and burger. What about you? I like biryani and pasta. Nice choice. Do you enjoy cooking too? A little bit, but I am still learning. Same here. Cooking is not easy. Yes, but it can be fun sometime. Absolutely. So, what are your future goals? I want to become successful and confident in English speaking. That's a great goal. I am sure you can do it. Thank you. Your words motivate me. You're welcome. Keep practicing and never give up. Sure, it was nice talking to you. Same here. Have you a great day. You too. Bye. Bye.